What's up, YouTubers? I have got something. A fidget spinner. I always wanted one, and I'm doing this video because I just wanted to show you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna beat my best friend. Oh, not my best friend. I'm gonna beat his high score for spinning it. Well, his high score is 1 minute and 10 seconds. So I will try that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 1 minute and 1 second, 1 minute and 2 seconds, 1 minute and 3 seconds, 1 minute and 4 seconds, 1 minute and 5, 1 minute 6, 1 minute 7, 1 minute 8, 1 minute 9, 1 minute 10. Oh, sorry guys, I stopped it, but it's 1 minute 11. I know I stopped it at 1:10, but it's 1:11. So I beat his high score by 1 second. So this video is about beating my friend's high score for the fidget spinner longest time. And thank you guys.